In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make community on Microsoft Teams. Creating a dedicated community within Microsoft Teams is a fantastic way to connect, share information, and collaborate with a specific group, whether it's for a hobby, a project, or shared interests. It brings like-minded individuals together in one focused space, separate from your more formal team channels, making communication more engaging. Let's walk through the simple steps to set up your very own community. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Teams application. Once you're in Teams, look to the left-hand navigation pane. You'll typically find icons and labels like Chat, Teams, and Calendar, among others. Look for the Community or Communities icon or text label. This is your access point for creating and managing all your community spaces. Go ahead and click on this Community option to begin the process. After clicking Community, you'll likely be presented with a view of existing communities or options to discover new ones. To build a space tailored precisely to your needs and vision, you'll want to locate and click the Create Your Own button. This option is specifically designed for users who want to start a community from scratch, giving you complete control over its purpose, settings, and who can join, ensuring a truly personalized community experience. Next, Microsoft Teams offers a helpful selection of templates to quickly set up your community. These templates come with pre-designed channel structures and settings for various common uses, such as an interest group, a school club, or a support forum. Take a moment to browse through these options and select the template that best matches your new community's goals and theme. Choosing a relevant template can save you time and provides a solid foundation, which you can always customize later. Once your template is chosen, you'll be prompted to add a description for your community. This is a vital step because it helps potential members understand exactly what your community is all about. Be clear and concise here. Explain the purpose of the community, who it's for, and the type of discussions or activities members can expect. A well-written description not only attracts the right members, but also sets clear expectations, acting as your community's brief introduction. Following the description, you'll find an option to add community guidelines. While optional, it's highly recommended that you take advantage of this feature. Guidelines are crucial for fostering a positive, respectful, and productive environment for all members. Here, you can outline clear rules for communication, behavior, and content sharing. For example, you might include guidelines about being respectful, avoiding spam, or staying on topic. Clear guidelines prevent misunderstandings and ensure a welcoming space for everyone. Finally, with all the essential details entered and your preferences set, it's time to bring your community to life. Look for the Create button, which is typically located at the bottom of the configuration window. Clicking this button will finalize the setup process, and your brand new community will be established and ready within Microsoft Teams. Congratulations! From here, you can start inviting members, posting announcements, and begin building the vibrant space you envisioned. Remember to actively engage with your community to help it grow and thrive.